Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best makeup kits is probably one of the most exciting and versatile categories of products for anyone looking to explore their creativity and enhance their natural beauty, offering a wide array of colors, textures, and tools that can transform your look for any occasion, from everyday wear to glamorous evening events, making it an essential addition to any beauty enthusiast collection. Number 5. Kids Unicorn Makeup Kit with Pink Purse. Looking for a gift that will bring endless smiles? This unicorn makeup kit is sure to create excitement and joy for any special little girl in your life. Each color goes on lightly for a pretty look without being too grown up. It's completely washable with just water, so no worries about stains. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients, this kit meets all safety standards. Parents can trust its gentle formula for their child's skin. This set encourages creative pretend play, giving little ones everything they need to explore and create their own unique looks. With a beautiful pink unicorn purse and glitter details, this set is designed to delight and inspire any young girl's imagination. Watch her explore her inner diva and outer beauty with this enchanting makeup set. It's perfect for discovering her own style. What we like? This set is designed for imaginative play with a fun unicorn theme. It's completely washable and made with non-toxic ingredients, making it safe for young children. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and provides peace of mind for parents, this is an excellent choice for little ones who love fantasy and dress up. What people say. This makeup kit is perfect for beginners, with a great selection of colors and easy-to-blend formulas. The packaging is adorable and makes it a fun gift for any young aspiring makeup artist. It includes a variety of brushes and applicators, ensuring a complete makeup application experience. Number 4. Disney Frozen Makeup Set by Townley Girl. Get ready to dazzle with this magical makeup set, inspired by the enchanting world of Frozen. It's perfect for creating your own icy cool looks. Adorn your eyes with shimmering glitter eyeshadow and add a touch of frost with the sparkling blush. These shades are designed to make you shine. Complete your look with the included lip gloss for a perfectly kissable pout. It adds just the right amount of shimmer and color. This set comes with everything you need to apply your makeup like a pro. The soft brushes ensure a smooth and even application every time. Looking for the perfect gift for a fan of Frozen? This makeup set is ideal for birthdays or any special occasion for girls aged 13 and up. Brought to you by Townley Girl, you can be sure this makeup is made with quality ingredients. It's safe and fun for all your creative endeavors. What we like? This collection features beloved Disney Frozen characters and includes glittery lip gloss, eyeshadow, and blush. It's specifically designed for older kids and teens who enjoy makeup. If your child is a fan of Frozen and is looking for a more age-appropriate makeup set with a touch of sparkle, this is the perfect option for them. What people say. This makeup kit is perfect for little girls who love to play dress-up. The makeup is non-toxic and safe for children's skin. It comes with a variety of colors and applicators, allowing for creative play. Number 3. Lip Smacker Sparkle and Shine Eyeshadow Palette. Dive into a world of dazzling color with our Sparkle and Shine Eyeshadow Palette. Its enchanting shades are perfect for creating magical looks. Experience the shimmer of the sea with these beautiful, mermaid-inspired colors. Each shade glides on smoothly for a luminous finish. Get ready for the festive season with this must-have makeup collection. It's the perfect way to add sparkle to your holiday look. Looking for a special present? This palette makes a wonderful gift for any girl who loves to experiment with makeup. Create endless stunning eye looks with this versatile palette. Its long-lasting formula ensures your makeup stays vibrant. Let your imagination swim free with these captivating shades. It's time to embrace your unique beauty and shine bright. What we like? This palette offers a variety of shimmery eyeshadows with a captivating mermaid theme. It's ideal for creating dazzling looks and is perfect for holiday gifting. If you or your child loves all things sparkly and wants to experiment with different eye looks, this collection is a fantastic choice for adding some magic to their makeup routine. What people say. The makeup kit is designed for children, making it a safe and fun way for them to explore their creativity. It includes a variety of colorful eyeshadows, blushes, and lip glosses, allowing for diverse makeup looks. The products are made with non-toxic ingredients, ensuring they are safe for children's sensitive skin. Number 2. Teensymic Kids Washable Makeup Kit. Discover a world of creativity with this all-in-one makeup set. It's packed with everything a little princess needs for hours of imaginative play. Designed with your child's safety in mind, this makeup is made from gentle, water-soluble materials. It's been tested for safety and washes off easily with soap and water. Keep everything tidy with this compact case. It features multiple compartments and a convenient handle, perfect for taking the fun on the go. This set encourages creativity, hand-eye coordination, and social skills. It's a fun way for children to explore their imagination and learn new things. Give the gift of joy and creativity. This makeup kit is perfect for birthdays and special occasions, promising a happy and memorable childhood. We're here to help. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please reach out to us for assistance. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This is an extensive 54-piece set that includes not only makeup but also nail accessories and tools, all neatly organized in a portable case. It's designed for hours of creative play and learning. If you're looking for a comprehensive makeup kit that offers a wide variety of items and encourages social skills and hand-eye coordination, this value pack is an outstanding option for aspiring young artists. What people say. The makeup kit includes a variety of colors and tools. It's a great starter kit for young children interested in makeup. The packaging is attractive and makes it a good gift option. Number 1. Tomons Kids Washable Makeup Kit. Unleash your child's imagination with this real makeup kit designed for little ones. Perfect for dress-up and pretend play, it lets them feel like a glamorous princess. This makeup set is designed for easy portability with convenient drawers. Its moderate size makes it perfect for taking along for playtime anywhere. This comprehensive set includes a wide variety of eyeshadows, lip glosses, blushers, and brushes. It's everything a little makeup beginner needs to explore their creativity. The included mirror features a protective film to prevent scratches, ensuring a clear reflection. Your child can easily practice their makeup skills with confidence. Crafted from safe, washable materials, this toy ensures worry-free play. If any irritation occurs, simply rinse with water and discontinue use. What we like. This kit provides real, washable makeup in a moderately sized, portable design with side drawers. It includes a variety of eyeshadows, lip glosses, blushers, stickers, brushes, and a real mirror. If you want a realistic makeup experience for your child that's easy to transport and store, this set is perfect for budding makeup enthusiasts who are ready to explore their creativity. What people say. The makeup kit is designed for children, making it a safe and fun introduction to cosmetics. It includes a variety of colorful eyeshadows, blushes, and lip glosses, offering diverse options for creative play. The application is easy for little hands to manage, promoting independent exploration of makeup artistry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.